I'm going to be using this Vevor Hat Press to press the iron-on patch onto this cap. I already have my press on, but the on-off switch is on the right-hand side towards the bottom, and it does have a LCD screen and adjustments for your time and temp. So once you're ready to place your hat onto the press, you're going to go ahead and lift that lever down to secure the back of the hat onto the foam plate or the foam arm. Once you have the hat on, you can lower the plate, but just to make sure that it's going to cover the area that is needed. I needed to adjust mine a little bit, and now I'm ready to add my patch. So I'm going to go ahead and peel the backing paper off, and then I'm also going to grab 2 pieces of heat tape, and I'm going to use those pieces of heat tape just to keep my patch in place. So once I have my patch lined up where I want it, I'll go ahead and use those 2 pieces of heat tape on one on each side, just so my patch does not move once I lift the plate down. And I'm going to grab a small piece of Teflon sheet just to place that over the top of the hat, and then I'll go ahead and lift the lever down and lift that plate down. And once you do that, it will do an automatic countdown, so it will start counting down on its own. If you do need to adjust the pressure, you would just twist this knob, but do this before you lift the plate down. Once the time is up, the machine will keep beeping until you lift that plate, and it is kind of loud. The handle is very smooth when it opens, and then once I remove my Teflon sheet and the heat tape, then I'll pull that lever down and release the hat, and there it is. This press did a really good job on this hat.